What got you here in 2021 will actually get you less in 2022. The great author Marshall Goldsmith wrote a book called What Got You Here Won't Get You There. The fundamental premise is if we want to do more, be more, experience more, joy, business, money, success, whatever it is, that we have got to add more to what it is that we're doing. I just did a talk with a bunch of my great clients and I reminded them that in your business, what got you here in 2021 will actually get you less in 2022. Think about it. The world is speeding up, there's more competition, more people making offers. So if you just do more of the same, you're going to do less this year than you did last year. So the fundamental question, whether we're talking about your health and vitality, your relationships, your business, your finances, any area of your life, the question is, what are you going to add? And just like the bricklayer adding one more brick to build her castle, you have to decide, what are those bricks I need to add to make 2022